Welcome to the 2-minute guided meditation series with me, Shirley Archer. This meditation will focus on loving kindness. Begin with 3 intentional breaths. As you breathe intentionally, imagine exhaling out what you no longer need, releasing any stress, any tension, anything you choose to let go. And with your last intentional breath, release control and allow your body to breathe as it will, comfortably in this moment, right here, right now. Drawing your attention to the breath, and imagine breathing in ease and peace. Repeating silently to yourself, may I be at ease and at peace. May I be safe and secure. May I be free from suffering. And in your mind's eye, imagine drawing in kindness and bathing yourself with kindness with each inhalation. And as you exhale, continuing to release and let go of anything you no longer need. Breathing in kindness and compassion for yourself, love, forgiveness, and exhaling, releasing, letting go of all things you're ready to put behind you. Inhaling kindness as if you were surrounding yourself with a warm, soft blanket. And exhaling and letting go what you no longer need. Feeling lighter, refreshed with each in-breath and out-breath. And as you're ready, opening your eyes, feeling yourself bathed with love and kindness. May you be at ease and happy. Thank you for spending this 2 minutes with me. Enjoy your day.